Strawberry plants can be a lot of fun to grow, but they are fussy about the type of soil that they grow in. So today I'd like to share with you the 3 steps that I do to get amazing strawberry plants. So number 1 is get the right soil type. 99% of us have the wrong type of soil in our backyards for growing strawberries. There are 3 main types of soil found on the planet. Clay soil, which is sticky and dense and can prevent the roots from getting oxygen and nutrients. Then there is sandy soil, which is too porous, and this allows the water and the nutrients to slip through. Then last there is loam soil, which is a blend of clay and sand and organic matter. And the majority of gardeners have clay or sand soil, but they don't have any organic matter. So strawberries like a loam soil with high organic matter in it. So soil quality is the biggest barrier to high strawberry yields and is the basis of most garden problems and difficulties. So here on the farm we have clay soil. It is great for pottery, but not so good for strawberry plants. So the way that I fix this problem is to not put the strawberries in the clay soil. Instead, I make a loam soil with high organic matter in it and then plant the strawberry plants in the soil in a container. If you'd like to learn how to make the best high organic matter sandy loam soil, click the link in the description below to get our free High Performance Gardener's Guide to Perfect Garden Soil. Alright, number 2 is what type of container. If you have bad soil that the strawberry plants won't like to grow in, and you'd like to grow your strawberry plants in a container, go ahead and use the sandy loam soil with a high organic matter. Now you can grow strawberry plants in any container that is 6 inches tall and wide or bigger and has drain holes in the bottom. So I like to grow my strawberry plants in a tower. This tower over here, this one is a green stock tower and it performs beautifully, and it has for years. So I'll put the link in the description below if you want to find the green stock tower. The strawberries, they like to grow in many different type of containers, and they do really well in this situation. Before we get to the 3rd item that will help you successfully grow strawberry plants, I would like to let you know about our strawberry e-course. In it you can learn all of our strawberry growing secrets for growing big, sweet, organic strawberries that you can be harvesting for over an 8-month period in the first year. So you can find the e-course link and special YouTube viewer coupon for discount in the description below, or you can pop on over to our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-strawberry-course. Alright, number 3, feeding. The last key to strawberry plant success is how you feed the plants and protect the soil microbes. So the soil microbes work in concert with the plants. The plants feed the microbes, and the microbes break down the organic matter to feed the plants. So when your soil has a good microbial population, your berries taste amazing, the plants are healthier, and you get less pests on your plants, and the plants can survive drought. Microbes increase the nutrients for the plants, so there's more nutrients in the berries for you. So this also means that the strawberries will have more flavor. Soil microbes naturally occur in organic matter, which is what compost is made of. And the key to keeping your microbes alive in your soil is to not use any chemical fertilizers or pesticides on your plant. Instead, use organic fertilizers and compost to feed the plants. So the strawberry fertilizer that I have used and recommend is the Fox Farm Fruit and Flower Fertilizer. I will include a link in the description below if you want to check that out. Now, if you can't find the fertilizer or you want to make your own, you can go see our video, how to make organic strawberry plant fertilizer that will help your plants create big, flavorful strawberries. So I'll put the link in the description below the video if you want to make your own strawberry fertilizer. If you want to learn more about strawberry growing success, you can find it in our Strawberry Success playlist.